flashing brake light warning on your 2022 to 2024 Acura MDX. What do you need to know? So stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back to AG Blind. I am Gio George. In the previous video, I told you guys that if I get any complaint on my 2024 Acura MDX, I will come back and share with you guys. All of a sudden, when I start the car, I got flashing brake light warning. So I drive maybe 4 miles, then I turn the car off, turn back on, everything got cleared. There's no more flashing warning light. So I called the dealer, then the dealer told me it's going to be maybe a false alarm. So if you come back again, just contact the dealer. So after 1,000 miles, again I got the same issue, flashing brake light warning. Starting from 2022 model Acura MDX has new braking system. If you drive one, then you will know exactly what I'm talking about. When you apply brake, you will feel like it's so soft and smooth braking. It's absolutely amazing the way the new braking system works. This particular model, they do have a new sensor, so they need to reprogram the sensor. So they did the reprogram my sensor. After that, there is no more issue. It is okay to drive, flashing brake light warning because your brake will be working perfectly fine, but the only thing is there is a automatic braking system. It's known as the collision braking system won't work properly, so you need to be a little bit careful when you are driving, and also don't do a hard braking. Just do a regular drive, you will be fine. Before I bought this 2024 Acura MDX, I already know this issue because some of the people already mentioned it, but this is a simple fix. To fix this issue, you have to go to the dealer though, because there is a way you can reset the computer. Taking the negative terminal off the battery, it will reset the computer, but I won't suggest you to do that. If you take it to the dealer, they will reprogram your sensor. That way you will good to go. Otherwise, you keep coming back the same problem. But some of the people were they were saying their brake got jammed, they can't even move the car. In that situation, I think you should take the negative terminal off on your battery, reset my computer. That way you could take it to the dealer to see what is exactly going through with your car. Alright guys, so I've been driving the car after reprogramming the sensor 4,000 miles. No more brake light warning came up. I do have a question for you guys. If you guys have this particular model Acura MDX, I want to know what kind of problem that you guys experienced. If you guys can send me a message, I would really appreciate it, so I can be heads up what is coming next. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends and family, whoever has this 2022 to 2024 Acura MDX. It may help them. Also, if you like the videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Until I see you next time, stay blessed.